Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2023 Kawasaki KLX110R trail bike for youth. This bike is in beautiful shape, very low hours. This is the one with the automatic clutch, so it won't stall when you come to a stop. Real easy for the youngsters to learn. Electric start, reliable like a Kawasaki is. Come on by and make your youth dreams come true with this gorgeous KLX110R for only $25.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Contra Costa Powersports.